SWT-NS610A. Application of extrusion welder. Welding PP or PE plastic pipes, membranes, and sheaths. Turn on the digital display control box power switch. Set the temperature to 350 degrees Celsius. Turn on the hot air gun switch. Adjust temperature to position 6. Warm up for 5 to 10 minutes. Pour in plastic granules. Observe the melting status of granules. Start welding. All the remaining plastic must be emptied after use. Set the hot air temperature to 0. Set the controller temperature to 0. Turn off the digital display control box power switch. Turn off the power.